Hello all. In this session we will solve the problem once again on the centroid. Okay. This is the formula. Here I have taken an I section, that is locate the centroid of the I section for the figure shown. Okay. You can see the I section here, but the divided lines will not be given in the question. Okay. See, this is the divided line. So here just they'll give a I section like this. Okay, so they'll give like this, so we need to divide according to our convenience. Okay, so here I have taken three rectangles, here one cut and here one cut. You can see in this figure, here I have taken one divided cut and there one more. Okay, I have divided that. So what is the how many areas we got? Area 1, area 2, area 3. Okay, three areas we got. Okay, so how to mark the centroid? Just I'm marking one G here, G, this one G, and I'm marking this is your X bar and this is your Y bar. Okay, so X bar, this one I'm measuring from Y axis, and the Y bar I'm measuring from X axis. So this much you need to remember. Okay, here okay, before this you need to see the which is symmetrical about y-axis or symmetrical about x-axis, that we need to know. But here you can see, if you fold the figure into y-axis, what will happen? If it is fold, it is symmetrical about y-axis, so no need to find the x bar, it is half of that. If you fold in the x bar, it is not symmetrical, right? So you need to find the y bar alone, so no need to find the x bar. So that's the thing. So that's why here selecting the coordinate system as shown in the figure, due to symmetric, centroid must lie on the y-axis, so that is x bar is equal to 0. 0 means it is a half of that figure, right? Okay, what is the formula for y bar? In the figure you can see all the areas, all the rectangles are attached inside the figure, so you have to take positive for that. That is a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y2 divided by capital A. Okay, so this is your figure. Now as usual we will find all the a1 a2 a3 and y1 y2 y3. First we will see all the areas. Okay, so here this is your area 1, right? So what is area 1? Rectangle, so 100 into 20. Next a2, here you can see a2 is again a rectangle, so that is 100 into 20, that is 2000 mm square. Next a3, what is a3? Again it is a rectangle, that is 150 into 30, that is 4500 mm square. So all the areas are over now. Okay, so now we will go to all the y-axis, that is y1 y2 y3. Okay, and before finding all y1 y2 y3, first give a reference line, x-axis and y-axis. Here you can see I have marked x-axis here and I have taken y-axis in the middle part. Okay, so y1 y2 y3, see here this one is a y1, so from where you need to calculate is from here to here till half, from the base till the middle of that particular area. So that is from here to here, anyhow it is 30. 30 plus 100 is this much, 130. 130 and half of this distance, 20 divided by 2, that is totally you will get 140 mm. Okay, next y2, next one, that is y2. Y2 I'll just mark here, from here to here, this much is y2. So y2 is as usual from the bottom 30 plus 100 divided by 2, so it will be 80 mm. Okay, so next one y3, from here to here half. Okay, from here to here, so it is rectangle means just directly we are taking half of the distance, that is 30 divided by 2, that is 15 mm. Okay, so this is a way of solving this problem. So everything we are just substituting in the formula, that is y bar is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by capital A. Capital A also It includes all the small areas, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3. So here we are not removing any area. So if you are removing any area, you need to take minus there. So here we are not removing any area, so you can take all the areas, sum of all the areas. Okay, so that is 2000 plus 140 plus 2000 into 80 plus 4500 into 15 divided by 2000 plus 4500. Here you can see this is the multiplication. Actually this is a multiplication, that is 2000 into 140. Here you can see what is A1, where is A1. So this is 2000 into 140. So the same thing I have taken, but it is just showing plus. Please take it as a multiplication. That so total overall answer is 59.71 mm. So therefore thus the centroid is on the symmetrical axis at a distance 59.71 mm from the bottom. So from the bottom 59.71, after 59.71 your centroid lies. X bar no need to find because it is symmetrical about y axis, so no need to find the x bar. So this is a way of solving the problem. But once you see the figure, once you see the figure, please make sure that what you need to find, x bar or y bar, or both you need to find. That one is a very important thing. So the question, they didn't ask anything, just they're asking locate the centroid of the I section. So we have to decide whether we need to find x bar or y bar or both. So that's what. So it is symmetrical about y axis, exactly, see, mirror image both the sides. So no need to find the x bar. It is not symmetrical about x axis like this, so you have to find the y bar. So that is a concept. So the final answer is, that is 59.71 mm. Thank you.